To fix the CH03 error code on an LG air conditioner, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The CH03 error code indicates that the system has detected a lack of refrigerant. This issue can arise due to several causes, including a refrigerant leak caused by damaged ports or improper installation, as well as an insufficient refrigerant charge. To resolve this problem, start by inspecting the refrigerant system for any signs of damage that may be causing a leak. Using tools such as infrared cameras and electronic leak detectors. Once the source of the leak is identified, it can be repaired using welding techniques or a sealant to cover the affected area. However, if these tools are not available, it is recommended to seek the assistance of a technician. Another solution is to recharge the refrigerant. Locate the service port, connect it to a refrigerant refill kit using a charging hose, and add coolant to the system until it reaches the recommended gauge reading. Being careful to monitor pressure and temperature levels to avoid overcharging.